Today we're going to be talking about the AE lock on DJI drones. What that is that's the auto exposure lock. So if you're in lighting situations where you don't want the exposure to change from dark to light or from light to dark, you would use the AE lock so that you don't have to shift in exposure while you're going into different lighting scenarios. I find this really handy when you're trying to shoot cinematic footage where you don't want a computer to shift your exposure or anything like that. All you have to do is set up on your controller this function button, the FN button, to be the AE lock. You just do that in your settings. Click the three dots up in the top, go under the control tab, and then go under button customization. And then you can see where it says press, and that would be AE lock. You can set that to whatever you want.